caused by EV reaction. Next, we have slide 226. This is a little bit difficult to diagnose. This is sclerosing cholangitis. Sclerosing cholangitis is another form of autoimmune disorder wherein there's the isolation of the atypical P-ANCA, 80% of cases. Also, other forms of antibodies have been isolated, like anti-nuclear antibodies. So, in primary sclerosing cholangitis, we also have the presence of cirrhotic nodules. And there should be the presence of characteristic onion skinning of the bile ductus. So you have to look for some areas that will have onion skinning. So take note that the inflammation here is not as that of primary biliary cirrhosis. Usually the bile duct